In this video, I'm going to show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in BandLab. Now to do this, first you want to open a project, and then inside the project is where you can then use the keyboard shortcuts. There's going to be a bunch of different ones, so let me show you how to know which ones you can use and how to use them. Go to the bottom right, click on shortcuts, and it's going to pop up your keyboard shortcuts. If you scroll down here, there's going to be a bunch of different ones, but you can of course also go between the categories by clicking up here, and it's going to take you to that specific category. So for example, for editing over here, to slice a region, it's S, to quantize note, it's Q, and then to move playhead, you can use these arrows, stuff like that. So if I just actually go and drag some audio on here, just to show you as an example how you can actually use this, there we go. I'm going to do it like this, and I'm going to extend it a bit. So as you can see, there's just some audio I've put on here. Oops. And I'm going to go and try to do this. So if I go here and press, for example, S, you can see I actually sliced that specific region. If you want to go and, for example, quantize note, you can press Q as it says over here. To move the playhead, I'm now using my keyboard arrows, as you can see, as it says here. To transpose notes, you can use up or down, shift up or down, etc. Then to delete, you can use backspace or delete. And then to copy, you can use Control C and then Control V where you want to paste. As you can see, to cut region, you could also do Control X like that, and it's going to basically go ahead and cut that region or note. You can select region by pressing Control A, and that's going to select all of them like that. As you can see, Control A selects all of these, and then undo is Control and Z, for example, and then redo is going to be Control Shift and Z. It's going to redo your previous action, and to duplicate, it's Alt plus drag, so just like this, and etc. Okay, there's a bunch of different ones. I'm not going to go through each and every single one of these because I'm sure you can do that yourself, but that's essentially how to use the keyboard shortcuts. It's not complicated. Just open the project, go ahead and find the shortcut you want to use, and then just go and use it. If you want to search for one, you can click up here as well, and of course search for it. For example, copy. It's going to show you what to do. You can't actually change these, at least yet, but of course you can see how they look and what you have to press to achieve that specific action. So that's how to use keyboard shortcuts, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.